In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail account. Let's walk through it together from start to finish, so you feel confident and know exactly what to expect. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to the Gmail website. You can type the address directly into the bar or simply search for Gmail and click the official link. When the sign-in page loads, look for the Create Account option, usually near the bottom of the sign-in box, and select it. Next, choose the account type that fits your needs. For most people, personal use is the right choice. There are also options tailored for business use or for setting up an account for a child with additional supervision features. Pick the one that matches your situation. You'll be asked to enter your first and last name as you'd like them to appear. This name shows up on messages you send, so using a recognizable, professional version is a good idea. Then fill in your date of birth and gender. These details help confirm you meet age requirements and can personalize parts of your experience. Now, choose a unique username. This becomes your Gmail address, so pick something memorable and appropriate. If your first choice isn't available, try a variation with numbers or different words. Gmail will also suggest alternatives you can select with a single click. Create a strong password and confirm it by typing it again. Aim for a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. Avoid using the same password you use elsewhere, and consider saving it in a trusted password manager so you don't forget it. For security and account recovery, enter your phone number and follow the prompt to receive a verification code. When the code arrives, type it in to confirm it's really you. In some cases, you may see an option to scan a QR code to complete the setup with your phone. Follow the on-screen instructions if that appears. Before you finish, take a moment to review Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. Understanding what you're agreeing to is important. When you're ready, accept the terms to proceed. That's it, your new Gmail account is ready. You can start sending and receiving messages right away. Take a moment to personalize your inbox by exploring settings like themes, inbox layout, and your signature. Small tweaks can make your email experience cleaner and more efficient. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.